Community. Noun. A group of people living in the same space or having a particular characteristic in common. For Custom Offsets, community has always been at the core of what we do. From truck shows to community events, we believe in giving back to those who support us. Our founder, Sean, believed in helping other people just like him, which is why in 2013 he started the largest online database of wheel and tire fitment information in the world. An awesome tool that we like to call the Custom Offsets Gallery. This gallery would be the first of its kind, offering those of us who have aftermarket wheels, tires, and suspension to upload their build details along with photos of their build so that other enthusiasts could see how a particular setup would look on their truck. What started as a simple idea would grow to be a massive collection of over 100,000 individual builds, from the modest and simple to the massive and wild. Over the years, the Custom Offsets family would continue to grow. We have been extremely blessed over the years to have met countless people, shake hundreds of hands, and get to interact with each and every member of what we call the Custom Offsets family each and every year. We were so moved by every one of you that in 2017, Custom Offsets decided they wanted to give back to the very community that made all of this possible. With this, we began partnering with other brands in the industry to offer a chance for people to win a great prize, all while raising money for various charities in every sector of the market. Since September of 2017, Custom Offsets has been able to raise over $335,000 in donations, and with your help, has been able to support over 24 different charities. As a community, we've given back to some awesome charitable partners such as Canines for Warriors, the Catch a Lift Fund, St. Jude's Children's Research Hospital, and the Alzheimer's Foundation. We've partnered with the folks over at Nine Line to raise money for the Nine Line Foundation. We've raised money for the American Red Cross, and we've been fortunate enough to support the American Foundation for Suicide Prevention. When we looked into 2021, however, we knew that we wanted to raise the bar when it comes to giving back. We wanted this year to be the biggest year yet, and that with your help, we were going to make a difference unlike any other. This year, we set out to do just that. We wanted to raise the bar when it comes to giving back. We wanted to give someone the opportunity to experience this amazing community. That's why, in 2021, we decided to give away a truck. And not just any truck, but our very own 2017 Ford F-350 Super Duty, the very truck that we took to the 2021 SEMA show. Joining us in this effort are our rockstar partners like TIS Wheels, Nitto Tires, Kelderman Lift Kits, Gridiron Bumpers, Banks Power, and so many more. With the help of our partners, we were able to build one of the biggest, baddest, and best trucks we've ever done to date, and all in the name of supporting a great cause. Additionally, none of this would have been possible without our very own team of employees. From late nights working on the truck in the shop to early mornings shooting photos and videos, this opportunity has truly drawn together not only our community, but also our employees and our friends. And what better organization to support than the Warrior Built Foundation? After all, many of our very own team members and employees have served or have family members who have served in our armed forces. As a leader in supporting the veterans of this great nation, Warrior Built focuses on giving our veterans a hand up, not a handout. They do this by providing spaces for veterans to come and make experiences together with other vets, creating conversation and ultimately making sure that our warriors know they are not alone in this journey. Warrior Built provides opportunities such as music, building motorcycles, working out in the gym, and most importantly, sparking interest in all sorts of therapies to give our veterans the tools they need. After talking with Nick and the rest of the guys over at Warrior Built, it became clear to us that this was an organization we believed in and that we could make a difference with, which is why we partnered with them on this giveaway. But the journey doesn't stop there. While the giveaway is drawing to a close, our journey together is just beginning. We're extremely grateful for all of the support that you guys have given us over the years, and especially over the course of this last fundraising effort. With your help, we are pleased to announce that we're going to be donating over $20,000 to Warrior Built Foundation, and none of this would be possible without the support of all of you. From everyone here at Custom Offsets, thank you for your support. Whether you picked up a t-shirt or a hat, or a bottle opener or an antenna, or simply even just shared a post on social media, none of this would be possible without your dedication and support. We are extremely grateful for each and every one of you and couldn't be happier to give this Super Duty to one lucky winner on December 18th.